Hey guys, nice to see you again. My name is Yan Sikorski. Today, like as usual, I want to share with you my top 7 ideas for the next market session. But first of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with euro dollar. I recommended you short euro dollar when price hold below 1.1220. As you can see, price tried to hold below, but nothing is happening. Price just formed false breakout here of this level. That's why no entry points. Another idea was in the pound USD. In the pound USD, I recommended you short pound USD when the price held below 1.2320. As you can see, price held below yesterday at this level and almost hit my first target around 1.2250. Canadian dollar, my recommendation was long this currency pair when price from impulsive breakout of this trend line. As you can see, price not from breakout of this trend line. That's why no entry points here. The same in New Zealand. I also recommended wait impulsive breakout of 0.64 level, but like here you can see price not from breakout of this level. That's why I also know entry points here. Gold. In the gold, I recommended you long gold with the price from breakout of this consolidation. As you can see, yesterday price from breakout of this consolidation and hit my first target around 1790. And another idea was in the Facebook stocks. I recommended you long Facebook when price formed false after false breakout of 215 level. As you can see, price hit my first target around 230 level. And the last idea at Netflix, I recommended you short Netflix, but as you can see, price hit all-time high, and that's why I cannot say this idea is work right now. And the last one is a Lockheed Martin. I recommended you long Lockheed Martin when price hold above, when price like after impulsive breakout of the triangle, and it's like if you open the trades here, just stay in a position, you will be fine, I believe, because this idea is still work right now. What about today's idea? Let's start in euro dollar. In euro dollar, right now price stay near import resistance level around 1.13. That's why it's pretty depends on how price will react for this level. I mean, if price form reversal model of false breakout of this level, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. And in this case, the first target will be around 1.1240. Another option, if price was in impulsive from breakout of 1.13, it will be a nice opportunity to take a long. In this case, the first target will be around 1.1350. Another idea in the pound USD, the same price stay near import resistance level around 1.2540, 1.2550. That's why we have to wait how price will break for this level. There are two options. The first one, if price from false breakout or reversal model of this level, it will be a nice opportunity to take a short. In this case, the first target 1.2450. And another option, if price was an impulsive from breakout of 1.2550, then pullback fractal, you can long this currency pair, and in this case your first target will be around 1.2650. New Zealand USD, the same in import resistance level around 0.65, and the same. Depends on how price will react for this level. If price was in impulsive from breakout of this level, then pullback fractal, you can long this currency pair, and your first target will be 0.6570. But if price form false breakout of this level or reversal model, you can short this currency pair. In this case, the first target will be around 0.6450. Another idea in gold. Look at gold right now. Price try to hold above import support level around 1765. Right now we can see how price formed range. That's why we have to wait. How price was in impulsive from breakout of this range, then pullback fractal, and this is good opportunity to take a long. And in this case, your first target 1790. But if you can see how price was in impulsive from breakout of support, then pullback fractal, you can short this currency, you can short this instrument. In this case, your first target will be around 1740. The next one is oil. Looking at oil right now, price try to hold above important support level around $40 per contract. If price hold above this level, and from the fractal here, you can long this instrument, and in this case the first target will be around 41.50. Adobe right now looks pretty good, like all stocks market looks pretty good right now, very bullish. I mean, price yesterday from breakout of important resistance level around 437, and that's why price tries to hold above. If when American market will be open, and if you can see how price hold above this level, you can long these stocks with the main idea of refresh this top around 448. Another idea in advanced micro devices, as you can see, these stocks get a bounce yesterday of important support level around $50 per share, and right now price inside important resistance level around $50 to $50 per share. And you know, if price hold above fractal, you can long the stocks. In this case, the first target will be $55 per share. Well guys, this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next videos.